Good morning everyone. Today we will teach math subject for standard 3rd. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 4, that is multiplication, in that part 3. Okay. In last class we see practice time 3 solved, practice time 3. In that first one question we solved. Now today we go through the second one question, that find the product. See here, first one 7053 into 8. First write down these problems like this. 8 3s are 24, write 2 and write 4 here. 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 2 is 42, write 4 here. 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4 is 60. Answer is 6024. Next, 2056 into 9. 2056 into 9. 9 6 are 54, write 5 here and 4 write. 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 5 is 50, write 5 and 0. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 23. 18 plus 5, 23. Okay, 2304. Answer is 2304. Next, C1 516 into 3. 3 6 are 18, write 1 and write 8. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 5s are 15. Answer is 1548. Next, D1 94 into 8. Here 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32. Now next, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 3 is 75, write 7 and write here 5. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 7, 16 plus 7 is 23. Answer is 2352. Next, E1 204 into 7. 7 4s are 28, write 2 here and write 8. And 7 into 0. 7 into 0 is always, if you multiply any number with 0, that time answer will come 0 itself. Okay. Don't write that number. 7 into 0, 0 plus 2 is there. Means 0 plus 2 is 2. Write here 2. 7 2s are 14. And answer is 1428. Next, F1 996 into 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 4, 72 plus 4 is 76, write 6 here. Again 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 7 is 79, that is 7968. Next, last two problems. G1 200 into 7 and H 639 into 5. 639 into 5. See here, 200 into 7. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 0, 0. 7 2s are 14. That is 1400. Answer is how much? 1400. Next, 639 into 5. 5 9s are 45. Write 4 and write here 5. 5 3s are how much? 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Write 1 and 9. 5 6 are how much? 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. and answer is 3195. Next, next one point. Here complete your practice time 3. Now I go through the practice time 4. I will go through the practice time 4. Okay. Before going to practice time 4, here multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit numbers. I will solve one example. Okay. Before this, then I will go through the practice time 4. Three-digit number by multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number means example. Here write 3-digit number first. 123 into here first 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers means 14. 1 2 2 digits I taken here. Okay. Now solve. 4 3s are 12 means write 1 and 2 right here. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 1s are 4. Okay. First this number you have to take and multiply it, these 3 numbers and write here answers. Next this side first one place you should here always here comes 0. You should take 0 only here. Compulsory it is, you have to write here 0. Otherwise you have to, in that 0 you have to put here plus symbol. If you are writing like this, this is also correct. Otherwise only writing 0, that is also correct. Okay. It is better to you have to put here plus symbol because next one multiplication you are doing and writing here answer. Afterwards you have to doing addition here. So you have to write here symbol addition. Okay. Here compulsory it is. First one step you have to solve. In second one step, first place you have to write here 0. It is compulsory. You should write here 0 only. Okay. Next 1 into 3 3. 1 into 2 2. 1 into 1 1. Now 2 plus this 0. Or you have to plus is there means you have to write directly this as 2 as it is. Now 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12. 2 write and 1 carry. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 2 is 7 and this 1 you have to write here as it is. Like this you have to solve these 2-digit numbers. Understand? Once again I will explain. Here 2-digit numbers are there. First you have to take this one number and multiply. 4 3s are 12. 2 1 carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 1s are 4. Write it. Next second step, first one number you have to write here 0 without any multiplication. First you have to write here 0, then you have to go through the next second one number 1, then 1 into 3 3, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 1 1. After multiplying these two numbers you are written here. Now how much answer will come here written. Now after this you have to add here 2, you have to write as it is. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 write 1 carry. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 and write 1 as it is. Understand? Okay. Now I go through that practice time 4. Practice time 4. First one point is what? Multiply. First one point, multiply. A 100 tens 0 35 into 14. Okay. I will not putting that box. I will solve directly. A B1 100 tens ones 29 into 13. Next C1 100 tens ones 64 into 15. 64 into 15. Just here, first you have to take this number, okay? Your right hand side first number which will come, that you have to take first. 4 5s are how much? 20, means 2 right here and right here 0. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Write 1 here and write 4, and that 1 you have to write here as it is, okay? Next, write here 0. Write here 0 first. Now 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 3, 3. Now add 0. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 1 plus 3 is 4. Answer is 490. Answer is how much? 490. Next, second one. 3 9s are, okay? 3 9s are 27 or 9 3s are 27. Write 2, 7. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now write here 0. I'll put plus 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 2, 2. Answer is 7. Write as it is. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Write 7 and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. Answer is 377. Next, third one. 64 into 15. 5 4s are 20. Write 2 here and write 0. 5 6s are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Means write 3 here and write 2 carry, and that 3 here write as it is. Now 0. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 6, 6. Now 0 plus this 0 is there, means you have to write 0 directly as it is. You have to write 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. And answer is 960. Next, third one. Third one question. Sorry, fourth one. 1000 100 tens ones 610 into 11. Okay, see here. One into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 6, 6. Plus 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 6, 6. Now add 0, write as it is. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. And write this 6 as it is. And answer is 6710. Answer is how much? 6710. Next, E1. E1 514 1000 100 tens ones 514 into 16. Okay, 6 4s are 24. Write 2 and 4. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 5s are 30. Write 3 here. Write 0 and that 3 here write as it is. Next, plus 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 5, 5. 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. Answer is 8224. 8224. 224. Next, last one problem. F 1000, 100, tens, ones, 469 into 12. 2 nines are 18, write 1 and 8 carry here, 1 carry and 8 right here. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, write 1 and write here 3. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Next 0, 1 into 9 9, 1 into 6 6, 1 into 4 4. Now write here 8. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12, write 2 and 1 carry. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 1 carry, 1 plus 4 is 5. Answer is 5628. Okay, till today I will stop here only, and that remaining part means that second one question and third one question I will solve in the next class. Thank you.